What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Max YouTuber, the one that will take your channel to 1 million subscribers. Just wanted to make a quick video about the theme of this channel. It's simple. I will show you guys that the average Joe can reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube. You see, there's tons of information on YouTube on how to have a successful channel. The problem is that people teaching you how to be successful are already successful. They have 100,000 subscribers, a recording studio, and they do it full time. It doesn't make any sense getting tips from these guys. You need someone who's just started. You need someone who has low budget. You need someone who has a crappy camera, who's wearing a mask, sunglasses, and has a stupid accent, but will show you step by step how you do it. But will show you exactly what you need to do to grow your YouTube channel. You need someone who documents the process from 0 to 1 million subscribers, so you can use the same strategies in your YouTube channel. First off, you need to know that it's my first YouTube channel, so I have no idea what I'm doing. But I guarantee you that we will be reaching 1 million subscribers together because of you guys. We document everything from how I got this idea, how and what I use to do video, how I get views, how you came to watch my videos, how I get subscribers. You will see everything. You can just copy paste what I do to grow your own YouTube channel or create one if you want. I want to prove that you can reach 1 million subscribers without even having to show your face. I can do it. You can also do it too. I will spend only 3 hours per day on this channel. That's basically the amount of time that the average Joe spends on gaming every day. So stop gaming and create your own YouTube channel. So if you always wanted to create your own YouTube channel, or if you're having a hard time growing your own channel, just click on the subscribe button below. Like this video and leave a comment below to tell me what you think about this new concept.